Hello everyone, we are group 14. Now we would like to introduce complement fixation. First, let me explain what complement is. Complement is mainly made in the liver and is present in the blood. Complement is activated by certain events, triggering an immune response that attacks bacteria. Complement fixation, which is involved in this activation, is explained in detail on the next slide. There are several pathways by which complement is activated, and we will use the classical pathway, which is the most representative of these pathways to explain the process. In the classical pathway, an antibody binds to an antigen of bacteria, and the complement C1 attaches to the antibody IgG or IgM. Then C1 is activated. This is complement fixation. After that, C1 activates C4, which in turn activates another complement in a chain reaction, and finally activates C5b678-9. This complement causes immune bacteriolysis by puncturing the bacteria. This is the most important function of complement.
Complement fixation test is an immunological test which uses complement to detect the presence of antigen or antibodies. CFT uses complement as a test system which only fixes to the immunological complex or antigen-antibody complex. Complement fixation test depends on the principle of fixing complement to the antigen-antibody complex. If there will be specific binding between an antigen and antibody, a complement will fix with the antigen-antibody complex. Conversely, a complement will remain free in case of antibody's absence. There are two ways to perform a complement fixation test, namely positive and negative complement fixation tests. A free complement breaks the CF erythrocyte sites. In a negative CFT, a complement does not fix due to the absence of antibody, and hemolysis occurs. Oppositely, if a complement fixes with the antigen-antibody complex, no hemolysis occurs in positive CFT. A complement fixation test requires an antigen, antibodies, complement, and CF erythrocytes. If hemolysis of CF erythrocytes does not occur, the complement fixes with the antigen and antibody complex and gives positive result for the CFT. In contrast, hemolysis of CF erythrocytes indicates the presence of free complement and gives a negative result for the CFT.